your help, and then we're gonna click that. And then once you click that, you click that, and now I can take a picture and send it right to support. Because these people is not standing at the door with money in their hand. Therefore, I'm taking extra precautions dropping this off because I don't trust them. And then look at their front porch. That tells me everything I need to know right there. If they didn't take the time to clean that shit up, you know they're not gonna tip me. Hold on, let me drop this shit off. I swear. Look, tell me why they missing talking about they missing some shit on their order too. These people is trash. These people are trash. Not because they order Little Caesars, okay? Not because of none of that. It's because they expect everything to be perfect when they order trash shit from trash places. Like, lady, do you not understand that out of all the pizza places that you could have ordered from, you literally picked the worst one? You don't get that? So, it's an hour late, but you ordered from the place that hired the worst people to make pizza. So what do you expect? It's gonna be late because you ordered from a place that's trash. And what, you expected them to have your whole order? No, they finna give you half of your order because they don't care. They don't care about you and your money. All they care about is clocking out so they can get their minimum wage from Little Caesars. You should have known that when you ordered from there. That's why I don't eat there. Because how am I gonna trust them to make my pizza when they ain't getting paid shit? Make it make sense. So yes, they did forget half of your order. You probably not gonna get a refund for it, and it's your own fault because you should have known where you was ordering from. It's simple as that. You know, it's simple as that. I don't have no sympathy. They be like, oh, I think it's missing something. I be like, hey, I don't know what to tell you. Look, you ain't tipped me enough to care, and you didn't order from the right spot anyway. So if you giving me your concerns, I'm the last motherfucker that's gonna care if shit's missing on your order. Because you didn't care when you placed the order. If you would have thought at least a piece about anything, you would have ordered from a respectable spot. So no, I don't care that your shit's missing. I don't care that it all ain't there. Matter of fact, look at this. We got some activity on the road. What's going on up here? I see polices. I see a car that don't look like it's supposed to be stopped right there. They locking his ass up. He must have crashed. What the hell going on? He drunk? Oh yeah, he real drunk. Oh yeah, he real drunk. Did y'all see that? That motherfucking Corvette was up in somebody's grass. Did y'all see that? That was crazy. He must have crashed his Corvette drunk in somebody's front yard. That's crazy. I ain't getting no order. So we are at $21.53. Y'all, I've been dashing since 5:30 on this one. I've been dashing for an hour and 20 minutes, and I done made $21 for an hour and a half. Yep. And I forgot I had Uber on. Uber literally been on this whole time. Nothing. Oh no, here go Uber order. $4, 7 miles at Jack in the Crack. It's gonna stay right there. No, we're not doing that. $4 for 7 miles? I'm about to park in this spot right here, right in the shade. $4 for 8 miles. As soon as I get ready to park, then DoorDash send me something. Okay, okay. $6.25, a mile and a half.